as the question says, a small heavy block is attached to the lower end of a light rod of length L, which can be rotated about its clamped upper end. What minimum horizontal velocity should the block be given so that it moves in a complete vertical circle? So what's happening is that there is a light rod to which a block has been attached of mass m, and they want to know the amount of minimum horizontal velocity which will be able to make this block to move in a complete vertical circle. Now we know that if this is possible to make this block reach the highest point, then obviously it will be having a slightest of the momentum will make it fall, and it will be able to complete the motion. So the problem is only to make it reach the highest point, right? So here we can apply the energy conservation between the lowest point A and the highest point B, right? Now half mv square equals to mgh, because we have assumed the velocity to be 0 over here. Why? Because as I mentioned before, even the slightest of the momentum will make it fall and complete the motion. So the kinetic energy over here, because we have taken this as the reference point, so no potential energy will be there, equal to mgh. Now putting the values, because height is 2L actually, right? So we have got V equal to under root 4 GL, that is 2 root GL. So if this much velocity is given, this mass will reach the highest point with the velocity of 0, but will be able to complete the motion because it will be slightly more than that.